Are you struggling with medical device registrations in Europe or Switzerland? EUDAMED and swissdamed requirements can be complex, but our Medical Device Registration Management Service, or MDRM, makes it simple. With MDRM, you get step-by-step support through the SRN and actor registration process, proper structuring and uploading of your device data, submissions aligned with the latest EU or Swiss requirements, reduced risk of costly errors or delays, and streamlined data management supported by our glorious platform, which is our in-house app designed for efficient data transfer and updates to make everything easier and give you peace of mind. For additional information, our Medical Device Registration Management Service brings EUDAMED and swissdamed registrations together with streamlined support and reduced fees. Ready to simplify your registrations? Speak to our experts to see how our MDRM service can support your business.